Have you ever heard the myth that filling up your gas tank at night is better than during the day? Some people believe that gasoline is denser and cooler at night, and thus provides more energy than the same amount of gasoline at a higher temperature during the day. But is this true? The truth is, gasoline is sold by volume, not by weight. The temperature of the gasoline does not affect the amount of energy it contains. Gasoline pumps are calibrated to dispense a certain amount of fuel for each gallon or liter. The temperature of the gasoline will affect its density, so it will take up more or less space in the tank, but it will not affect the amount of energy it contains. So you can fill up your gas tank at any time of the day or night, and the amount of energy you receive will be the same. And remember, other factors such as supply and demand, taxes, or discounts may affect the price of gasoline. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about various topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be exploring all sorts of interesting subjects, from science to history, culture, and more.